Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Audi A3 only way. Begin by testing the key fob battery and using the physical key if available, then try all doors and the trunk to isolate the problem. If doors remain locked, approach the driver's side and carefully manipulate the lock cylinder and handle while pressing the fob unlock button, avoiding force that could damage weather seals or electronics. A weak fob battery often causes lock failure, so replace with a fresh CR2032 and retest before troubleshooting further. If the fob still fails, try a quick reprogram sequence or consult the owner manual for simple reset steps you can do yourself. Always keep the emergency key blade accessible and avoid repeated button presses, as that can confuse onboard receivers and drain power from backup systems. When electronics fail, mechanical access is the reliable fallback, so use a soft entry tool to create a small gap at the driver door and operate the manual lock if needed. Inspect the lock cylinder for ice, dirt, or corrosion and apply Dacer or penetrating lubricant sparingly. If the door still resists, work slowly to prevent bent rods or broken clips that require professional interior removal and cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.